All right, guys, here's the filming of the neck massage. And as you can see by the smile of his face, he already knows this is going to be amazing.
This is the life.
You hear that, guys? This is the life. Now, one thing I love about massages here in Joburg, guys, they're really good at doing very, very strong pressure points. If you're like me, who likes really strong massages to get all those kinks out, it works perfect here.
Don't talk to me.
Anisha, you want to search it? Net Nisha's will work on it. You find someone for that.
But unfortunately, I was very also, and I'm so hot. And I kept telling that lady, it's hot, I'm actually,
I think our brother over there is asleep now. I think I heard a little bit of snoring.
I'm almost there. Almost there.
If you can see her face, guys, as soon as she touched her, it was just smiles, and you can see her aura just popping off, guys. Like,
we all work here. We all have, in this it's so nice that you can get to like houses. Oh, I love this. And I get panicked when I'm like down to like my last one.
so guys, now I'm gonna take the camera off so they can actually enjoy their neck massage, and I'm gonna talk to them after they get out and see how they feeling, what's the difference. And so I'm doing this so you know, like, Jason ain't lying here, guys. Like, you know, everybody's like, Jason, you just love everything about Joburg. Yes, I do, because there's great people here, man. So once they're finished, I'm gonna see if they are okay with doing an interview, letting us know how they feel afterwards. So I'll see you in a second.